Okay, welcome back. We're going to continue with Python all in one so we can take a look in Grasshopper at some more data science and what we might be able to do with processing data and see where that goes. I'm going to continue on with a little summary of the second chapter of the all-in-one Python instructions. And even though it's all just instructional, that's fine. It will get you up and running in interactive mode, getting help and writing apps. You're going to go in and follow this all to a T and learn every detail that's really highlighted out of the text. However, I've paired it with kind of instructions of realizing what is important. So if I pull this over here, you'll see that over on this file, really important to get through the Python tutorial. Really nice link in here in my notes that will send you over to here. And then obviously through YouTube, Stack Overflow, and Google, and Bing, you're going to want to get as much as you can into cheat sheets for Python as you go. Now, the other thing to apply to as a student or a teacher right now, you definitely need, or an open source GitHub site, you want to apply for the AI paired programmer. That's going to set you light years above anybody else because it's out. If you have to pay the $10 a month or the $100 a year, it's still worth it, but try and get it as a student or faculty or for an open source GitHub site. That leaves me back into Grasshopper as we go, really deciding how to build a development workspace, and they do a wonderful job of giving a tutorial through that using Anaconda and Visual Studio. Really nice details covered here with setting up your workspace station for JSON, and then creating a folder for your Python codes that go everywhere and linking that to your workspace. You really want to get in here and know where to go in your files and get everything organized. Then typing and editing and debugging, it's going to cover a little bit and it'll get you up to speed with Visual Studio. And if that's not your bag, we're actually going to go on with the Scribble tool and follow up with another series here, which is going to focus specifically on, and we'll just make it big, writing code in a Jupyter notebook. And we're going to do that as well because in many of the machine learning algorithms book for dummies, artificial intelligence, and certainly Python for data science, that's going to be the main choice of what you'd want to do is write code in the Jupyter notebook. I'm going to stay with Visual Studio for now because GitHub Copilot's making me want to do that, and I hope you find this all as exciting as I do, and then hopefully driving data, getting as much manipulation as a data scientist or a novice at data science into being able to do more with your Grasshopper geometries, architectures, designs, sculptures, whatever you want to do, furniture, and we'll keep going. And 3 minutes. Thanks for watching. Michael Wickerson, Wickerson Studios. Data-driven design.